Welcome to week 3. This week you'll be having your first exam, and what I would like for you to do in order to prepare for this is to make sure you review chapters 1 through 3, and then here you'll find that you have a practice exam that you can work from. This is a 30-question practice exam that will allow you to review chapters 1 through 3 so that you can see whatever your strengths are as well as your weaknesses. Time is unlimited in the practice exam, and you'll have 2 attempts to be able to practice with. And please be sure of your responses before you click on the next button or the submit button, as you will not be able to return to any previous questions. Do understand that this particular practice exam will not count toward an overall grade. So you don't have to worry about that. This is just to allow you to get familiar with how the exams will be, as well as to test your knowledge. Okay, so as you can see, your practice exam is available starting on the 31st of August, and it will close Thursday, which was September 3rd, at 11:59 p.m. So you'll have between those dates to be able to practice on. Now on the 4th, you will have your first examination. And this is a 100-question multiple choice examination. Here you'll have 3 hours to complete the exam once you start. I beg of you, please do not wait till 11 p.m. This will be closing at 11:59 p.m. on September 4th. So please do not wait till 11 p.m. because you'll only give yourself 1 hour to take the exam rather than the 3 hours that you'll be allowed. Okay, again, you'll want to make sure that you know your responses prior to hitting that next or submit button, and because you will not be able to return to previous questions. This again is a time limited test, so you want to make sure you time yourself. You should have plenty of time to be able to get through it. However, what I do want to implore is that you make sure you're doing the reading. A lot of people think that because I'm giving 3 hours for them to take the exam, that you don't have to do your reading prior to sitting for the exam. That is the worst way to approach the examination. Simply put, I've had students only have 19 points after an exam because they only got 19 questions correct, simply because they didn't prepare properly. You want to make sure that you're doing the reading for your assignments as well as for review for the examination. Make sure you have all your tools necessary. You will be allowed to utilize your textbook. You'll be allowed to listen to lectures. You'll be allowed to use your PowerPoint slides. But if you think you can wait until taking the exam and sitting for it, you'll be surprised just how fast 3 hours can go. Additionally, questions are going to be formulated to see if you are able to apply the information that you've learned. So it's not strictly what is this, but how is this. So you really want to make sure that you're prepared. If at any time you do have any kind of questions, do feel free to send me a message here in the inbox. And I will say to you, best of luck. But I know you don't need the luck, because I know you're going to do all the work that you have to in order to do well on this exam. Talk to you again soon.